What is it?
It's only FPV Friday!
Okay, it's been a minute for the motion controller. Seems like I have to start the settings fresh, but it still remembers that I've turned off obstacle avoidance. So I have to be careful I don't crash into anything. Signal's good. Satellites are not good. I've wanted to do this for a little while now. It's one of the reasons I came first thing in the morning. You can see from the radar that the obstacle avoidance would be singing and jerking and causing a fit for it to be on, because we're right in the middle of obstacles quite a bit. Waiting to see if we see somebody. We'll avoid them if we do. I think if I see anybody, it'll be a dog walker or a jogger. We're going to one side and there's no wind. Try to follow this shadow line. Now we're across the street. The next step, difficulty level above this, is to have it follow me and make it through without crashing into anything. That would be kind of cool. Not today, because I have plans for each battery. I do want to fly it around the junior high school field for a little bit. Maybe go under a sprinkler, but maybe that's not a good idea. So coming early, doing this first, Everybody's still in bed. It's a Sunday morning. Everybody's still in bed, so. It's only FPV Friday.